Hello everyone and welcome back to our series on starting your cybersecurity career, building a successful career in cybersecurity. I am Luciano Ferrari, founder and CEO of LufSec. Today we are diving into chapter 5 of our ebook, where we will explore the essential skills and competencies you need for a successful career in cybersecurity. Our ebook provides a comprehensive guide to starting and advancing your career in cybersecurity. If you haven't already, make sure to download your free copy at the link in your screen. Having the right cybersecurity skills is crucial for success in this dynamic field. Whether you're just starting out or looking to advance, developing these essential skills will help you stand out in the competitive job market. So let's dive into the key technical and soft skills you need. First, let's talk about technical skills. So these are foundational of your cybersecurity expertise. A solid understanding of networking is fundamental. This includes knowledge of network protocols, IP addressing, subnetting, and routing. So you also need proficiency in system administration for various operating systems like Windows, Linux, and macOS. Programming and scripting skills can significantly enhance your ability to identify and mitigate threats. Familiarity with languages like Python, Bash, and PowerShell is particularly beneficial. Additionally, proficiency with cybersecurity tools and technologies such as SIEM systems, IDS, IPS, vulnerability scanners, and penetration testing tools is very important. Next, let's discuss analytical and problem-solving skills. These skills are vital for understanding and responding to threats. Threat analysis involves identifying vulnerabilities, assessing risks, and determining the best ways to mitigate these threats. Incident response skills are crucial for detecting incidents containing the damage, eradicating the cause, and recovering from the attack. Digital forensics helps in investigating breaches, gathering evidence, and understanding the impact. Now let's talk about soft skills. Effective communication, critical thinking, and attention to detail are very important in cybersecurity. Being able to explain complex technical issues to non-technical stakeholders and collaborate with team members is very important, I would say crucial. Critical thinking involves analyzing situations from multiple angles and developing effective solutions. Attention to detail ensures throughout analysis, precision and execution, and vigilance in monitoring. So the field of cybersecurity is constantly evolving. Staying updated with the latest trends, tools, and techniques is vital for maintaining your relevance and effectiveness. Regularly follow industry news and trends, enhance your skills throughout training and certifications, and gain practical experience through internships, volunteering, and hands-on projects. Developing these essential skills and competencies will help you build a successful career in cybersecurity. From technical skills and analytical abilities to soft skills and continuous learning, each aspect is crucial for staying competitive and effective in this dynamic field. For more detailed insights and guidance, download our free ebook, Starting Your Cybersecurity Career, Building a Successful Career in Cybersecurity, at the link in your screen, if not here at the end of your screen. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll dive into chapter 6 and explore gaining experience in cybersecurity. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on building a successful career in cybersecurity. See you next week.